never ever, but I don't know. Utah is about as cold as it gets for me, Alana. It's easy this season.
Rotten. You can't say that next to Brian. You can't
I know, but I love the people there.
I mean, I wouldn't either, but you can't say that.
All right.
I'll check myself next time.
I'm kidding, Matt. Happy Monday, everybody. We've got cloud cover, and I'm in a good mood because the pattern has changed. That high pressure is pushing out of here. It's gone, and we've got a weak cold front that came through. Ooh, live view on our A+ Garage camera. It took a second. It wanted to show you the clouds as we look down into the valley. Clean air. High pressure's gone, and we've got that cloud cover that has really filled in. We saw some valley rain, mountain snow as that weak front kind of pushed through northern Utah. Satellite radar shows the moisture. I put this on a 6-hour loop, but what I really want you to take note of is that deck of clouds that just pushes into northern, central, and even southern Utah. You can see it's like a direct pipeline towards Southern California. As we look at that on the water vapor map, you actually see this narrow corridor of moisture. This is a decaying atmospheric river that's pushing moisture into the state, which, okay, we'll take it, but that's where the clouds are coming from, and that's going to allow for moisture potential. We're underneath the southwesterly flow, so our temperatures are still pretty mild and even above average in places like Ivins, where they were seeing the upper 60s. Clouds moving in. I think that's such a dynamic shot tonight. Looks really pretty. 40s in northern Utah. We're a lot closer to where we should be following that weak cold front, but it's stalled out in central Utah. We open the door for slightly cooler air. As we look at the 24-hour temperature change, it gives you a really good idea of where it's stalled because we're 18 degrees cooler in Salt Lake than where we were yesterday. Look at Milford, look at Delta, look at Logan. You can kind of tell we open the door for cooler air, but it doesn't stick around. There's a reason. 40s turn to 30s with that blanket of cloud cover, sort of like a Lola or Minky there. It's going to keep us a little warmer as we get closer to ABC4 News at 10. Now, precipitation potential remains elevated as we head into tomorrow, especially for the mountains. This is good news. We need this moisture. Let me show you the reason why. Because our cold front stalls and we have a southwesterly flow. We actually are going to watch that front retrograde a little bit. This is precipitation along that boundary as it pushes north tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. We have a warm front that comes by. That warm front is going to bring a period of precipitation. Now, I have to be honest with you. Southwest flow does not favor Salt Lake County, but you see that snow, and you can kind of see that valley rain there, which means we're going to see waves of precipitation Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday. This is Wednesday, 8 a.m. This includes southern Utah, goes up the spine of Utah. Our mountains will get some light snow from this, and we stay active into Wednesday night. And then Thursday morning, we're watching those models because it looks as though we're still going to have that valley rain mountain snow setup. As we look at our snow elevation, that cold front came through and it drops our snow levels tonight, but we don't have any precip right now. Then tomorrow we start to push that front and the warm front comes in, and look at how those snow levels rise, getting to about 7,500 feet. So this is why it's a valley rain mountain snow setup above 7,000 feet. So our mountains still look to do pretty well through Thursday. 5 to 10 for the cottonwoods, especially in areas that are favored by that southwesterly flow. That includes places like Brighton. We'll see 1 to 5 inches in the northern mountains, and then 3 to 6. I'm being generous here for central and southern, but the potential's there. Again, areas that benefit from that southwesterly flow will do a little better. Big picture shows our moisture coming through. We have a long wave trough, and that's going to keep us unsettled as we make it through the midweek. We're going to get waves of precipitation with this, and as we head into Thursday, we're going to see this trough exit. As it does, we quiet down into Saturday, Valentine's Day. Do you have outdoor plans? Okay, it's going to be dry and fairly mild, but we're watching the Pacific Northwest because Sunday into Monday, we could open the door for deeper moisture and colder air, which means President's Day could bring a storm. That's still very far out, but that's kind of the bird's eye view of what's going to happen. 40s and 50s for tomorrow, 61 in Moab, 67 in St. George. Our southwesterly flow is going to keep temperatures above average, which is why you see those 60s, chance of rain Tuesday. Actually, Wednesday through Friday in the south. Tuesday is going to be dry, and then you're going to see the Wasatch Front, where you're going to notice those numbers in the 40s, staying above average with a few 50s. We get windy, scattered rain, scattered showers through Thursday, quieter, Valentine's Day, President's Day, a lot going on. But enough with the weather. Let's toss it over to Sports Director Dana Green. You got a lot going on too, DG.